Good morning to all of you. My name is Hussein. This is day 2 of our English learning journey. Today I am going to speak on a topic being special. Uh, everybody want to be special. We have imagined many scenarios and many circumstances where we assume ourselves as uh, being treated special. We want other people to appreciate us, to recognize us. We want to be master of a good uh, we want to be master of a good dialogue or a good compliment. We have imagined many scenarios in our mind of being center of attraction, that people are looking at us, people are appreciating us, and we are the center of attraction. There is a for example, you have seen many actors, directors, and many public speakers. Everybody is listening to them and they are speaking. We have imagined ourselves as them. We want ourselves to be special. We want other people to appreciate us, to respect us, and it is natural. Nothing, it is nothing wrong in it. It is natural, and everybody want to be special. So our today's topic is special, and what specialness is. So our first topic is what specialness is. uh, we almost all in our childhood must have told by our parents, teachers, and our neighbors that we are special, or might be we are not special. And there is also a third chance that there was no mention of specialness. Well, we are going to talk about them one by one. If somebody has told you that you are a special, or somebody has not told you that you are not a, somebody told you that you are not a special, both things are wrong, because at that time you don't know what specialness is. And once they told you that you are special, you interpret those appreciations in wrong way. You think that being handsome is special, being rich is special, uh, being being attractive is special, being tall or being funny is a specialness. But no, there is nothing to do. These things has nothing to do with specialness. Specialness, now we are going to talk what specialness is actually. Specialness is the sense of self belief. Specialness cannot be given by others and cannot be told by others that we are special. We No one can born special. No one can born special, because specialness is earned. When you have done certain things in your life, you have got you get success, you work hard, and you feel that you have done it, then it is a special. Then it is a specialness. It makes you feel special. Specialness is earned by hard work. When you work hard, you get something. It give you a self belief. It give you a thought in your mind that you have done it before. That's why you can do it anyway. As many times you try, you can do it. It give you self confidence. It give you motivation, because it is earned by your efforts, by your hard work. And specialness is being top in class. It is specialness because you earned it by hard work. You have studied a lot day and night. And obviously if you top your class, it will give you a confidence that you have done a great job. You are the top of 50, 60, or 100 students, and you have a what we tell, you have a potential to win this world, because you have proved to yourself. So specialness is earned. If you work hard and you get rich, then it is special because you work hard for it, and it is done by you, and it add value in your life. it motivate you, it give you a self confidence. So it is really a specialness. Now there is another topic. We are going to talk about what is not specialness. If if other people are appreciating you, they told you that you are special, then this is not a specialness. Because people appreciate other people to get their work done. Boys appreciate girls to impress them, to use them. And say in similar way, there if you definitely went on a shop to buy clothes to for shopping, then the owner of the garment shop always appreciate you that this shirt is suiting you and this, because he has intention behind it. If you expect specialness and being recognized by other people, you will it will fit in your mind, and you will get depend on others for being special, and people will take advantage of yourself. So specialness is nothing like that other people can make you feel. Specialness can only be felt by yourself. You may ask yourself what you have done to be special. You can close your eyes and think what are the things you have done so that you can feel that you are special. What makes you feel special? If you have nothing, then believe me, you haven't achieved in your life, you haven't worked hard. But you have worked hard, you have achieved your life, definitely you will realize it that you are special. Now other people can never make you feel special, because if you might have seen people in your life who has achieved a lot, who are successful, but still they have nothing realization about specialness. Do you know why? Because nobody told them what specialness is. They have no idea about specialness. They got success, they work hard to impress other people. Are you They work hard to please and to impress other people in your life. They achieve things to prove other people that they have potential, they can do it. And this is the mistake they have made in their life. They done it in pressure, in competition, in culture, to prove their family, to prove their teachers, to prove the society. And this is their mistake. Specialization is not about impressing others, it is about recognizing by yourself. If you have achieved it, then it means to you, and it should be felt by yourself, by your inner self. It cannot be achieved from the outside. And yes, there are the chances that you are also looking the specialness in the same way that other people are looking, who still are not able to feel and themselves special. If you are this type, you have to change this script of specialness. You have to work hard to prove yourself that you can do it. You have to work hard to satisfy yourself, not others. If you do it for yourself, definitely you will achieve success in your life. This is the thing I want to tell you guys today. Okay, I hope you all are doing well. Wish you success. Thank you so much for watching this video. And definitely I have made some mistakes in as I'm not good in English, and also it's a very long chapter which I have studied, but I have told you the main points. I'm not able to explain the whole chapter or memorize the chapter, because I don't want to memorize the chapter. I want to read the chapter, then deliver it in my language, so that I can practice my English communication. Because my purpose of making videos is not to gain popularity and to earn on YouTube or become a YouTuber. I am shooting these videos to improve myself, to work on myself, because I want myself to be master of communication. I want to improve my English communication, and pray for me. And you can you can like this video if you like it. Thank you so much. Okay, bye.